Hi everyone, this is just a quick demo of converting speech to text and then connecting that with a language model so that we can get some interesting answers out of it. And effectively this is to kind of test different ways of interacting with a PC, with a computer. This is all part of a research project, which is something that we've been working on in the AI robotics lab, and ultimately the idea is that you're able to communicate with a robot in kind of like real time. This has been done before on several occasions in different ways, so we're just trying our own approach, which we'll then be comparing against stuff that already exists. Right, so let's give this a go, shall we? What is 3 plus 3? 6 multiplied by 50. Describe computer science in 3 words. Define computational. What is one of the most common programming languages? What is Java? All right, we'll stop here. So you get the idea, right? You talk, it gets processed, speech to text, you get the text is sent as a query to a language model, gets back with an answer, and the answer is displayed to, well, here in this text area. So the idea is that this can then be translated to something like text to speech. So it kind of goes the full cycle of speech to text from the human being, gets processed through some AI stuff, comes back out of the robot's speakers as text to speech. And as soon as there is a demo to show, there'll be a video up here. So until then, bye-bye.